What's up guys? Welcome back to Overdrive. So today's gonna be an exciting day. Today we're putting on lowering springs on the Jetta. I don't really like the ride height that it's at right now. The front is okay, but the back is too high. So we're gonna put some lowering springs on and yeah, I'll show you the Jetta right now. Alright guys, so here's the Jetta. This front wheel gap is pretty much what I want. I can fit 3 fingers, which is okay, but the GLI front skirt makes the car really low, and I pretty much scrape going up the driveway. So this is the part that I don't like though. In the back, I can fit a whole fist in here, so pretty much the car is lower in the front, but the back raises up, which is what I'm trying to get rid of today. Alright guys, so basically I bought all 4 lowering springs for the car, but today I'm just going to put on the back just so I can kind of level out the back and the front to be the same. So hopefully it will level out nicely and the car will be sitting nice and flat. Alright guys, now it's time to show you the springs that I got for the Jetta. Alright guys, so here are the springs. I bought them off eBay, and the reason why I got red was because most of my car is a black and red combo, so I thought the red would look really good. So here are the springs, and then the other 2 springs are in the box here. So yeah, I can't wait to put them on guys, and I'm going to show you guys the install, and hopefully the car is going to sit really nice. Alright guys, the car is on jack stands now, and we gotta take off the wheels now. Alright guys, so now when you take off the wheel, you want to jack up the axle, and if your jack's not wide enough, you can put a piece of 2x4 here and it'll support it better. But this jack's wide enough, so yeah, you just support the axle. So this is the bolt we gotta take off here. It's right here and on the other side here, and yeah. Alright guys, so my dad, the master mechanic, he used some mechanic wire to hold up the shock a bit. So as we lower down the jack, it kind of holds the shock in place, so we have just some room to get out the spring. Alright guys, so we got the spring out. You got to make sure that this mount is in good shape. You got to make sure all the rubber is all in good shape, because we have to reuse this and put it on the lowering spring. And the way we got it out was just taking a pry bar and we loosened it out. Alright guys, so when you're putting the spring back in, make sure you just turn it around the base a couple of times. Keep turning it and make sure it's seated properly right down there in the base. Alright guys, now you put down the shock, get it into place, and then we just tighten this bolt. Alright guys, so this side is done, and we just got to do the other side now. Alright guys, both sides are done now. Time to put on the wheel and see how she stands.
Tell me what's the rush? You don't know me well. I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my...
Alright guys, I just took out the car for a spin, and it's amazing. I love the way the car's sitting. It's sitting nice and level. Like before, the back end was like up like this. Now it's sitting really level, and let me just show you guys.
Bitch, try to pop off, little bitch, you can't fool me. Red rags look like hot sauce, baby, you should wanna come to me. Main bitch in my iPhone, cause these little thoughts in the nudies. Got them
Alright guys, so that's what the springs look like. I love the way it looks. I pretty much got 3 fingers here, and I got another 3 fingers on this side. So it's pretty well close to level. The only difference is the front is literally a quarter of an inch a bit higher, but I don't know, it's not too bad. I like the way it looks. I think it looks pretty level, and yeah, I'm kind of liking the way the car is sitting now.
Yeah, guys, you know, the car looks great, and I love the way it turned out.
She wants my car, but no way. Guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed that little install video. Hopefully that video can help you guys out if you guys ever do any springs to your car or anything. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys out, and I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, guys, and I'll see you later.